As an ER doctor, I see every kind of emergency. But there's one that most people never recognize until it's too late. It's called circadian rhythm dysfunction. And it's the emergency you never saw coming. Every cell in your body runs on a 24-hour clock. We have this thing in our brain called the suprachiasmatic nucleus, or SCN, and it sets the rhythm for everything. It relies on cues like light, food, and movement. And when that rhythm breaks, we have inflammation that rises, we have immunity that weakens, and we even have hormones that misfire. Actually, even DNA repair slows down, sometimes breaks altogether. And beyond the biology, your reflexes slow down. And that's when you drift off the wheel and you end up in my trauma bay after a crash. That's why in health optimization, we treat rhythm like a vital sign. Step 1, detection. Lifestyle questions. Sleep diaries, wearables. We find out what your nighttime routine is like. Even metabolomic testing of melatonin, cortisol, and neurotransmitter metabolites help give us a sense of where you're at. This kind of information helps us understand how your biology is drifting off course. Step 2, correction. Daily anchors to realign the system. Morning sunlight before screens, meals and movement synced with daylight, nighttime rituals like dimming the lights, cool rooms, true darkness, all of that to signal the body to trigger repair. You combine that with precise supplementation, and balance can be fine-tuned even further. And the evidence is clear. Restoring circadian rhythms improve heart rate variability, glucose control, emotional resilience, and other measures of long-term health. So here's the truth. You can't afford to wait for a crisis. Detect rhythm imbalances early and correct them with precision, because circadian health is the emergency you'll never see coming until it's already here.